Hi, I'm Steve Willanen, Director of Urban Outfitters West Coast Distribution Center in Reno, Nevada. Urban Outfitters is a global company. Currently, we operate 6 distribution centers in the United States and in the UK. Our facility services Anthropologie, Urban Outfitters, and the Free People brands. In the retail brands, we design innovative stores, offer an eclectic mix of merchandise, and construct unique product displays that incorporate found objects and creative selling vignettes. Once orders are processed through our receiving department, cartons are pushed on a takeaway line. They travel across the front of the receiving department onto a spiral which overheads the cartons to our shipping department. The product has a designation of what lane it's assigned to, and the sorter scans the barcode. They are then placed on a main sorter, which diverts the cartons into the put-to-light area. The SDI put-to-light system allows us the flexibility we need to service our customer. This is the put-to-light area. In 2010, as our store base continued to grow, we identified a need to change our process and expand the put-to-light system. In 2011, we completed Phase 2, taking us to our current 190 lights in each of the flat pack lanes. Today we process approximately 135,000 units per day through the put-to-light system. Our Reno operation opened in July of 2007. At that time, we were packing for 217 stores, averaging 70,000 units per day. In the 7 months of operation that year, we processed just over 14 million units through the put-to-light system. Today, we pack for 459 stores. We average 140,000 units per day. The department UPH is 1,500 units per hour. And last year, we processed 37 million units total through the Reno facility. Approximately 35.6 million of that was through our put-to-light system. We currently operate 15 packing lanes. 1 lane is dedicated to jewelry packing, and the remaining 14 lanes are split between our Urban Outfitters, Anthropologie, and Free People brands. Currently, we're operating 190 stores per lane. When we installed the system in 2007, we operated with 80 lights per pack lane in each of the 14 pack lanes, and 236 lights in the jewelry cage. With SDI's partnership, we converted the 14 pack lanes into 7 super modules. We packed our East Coast stores on one side and West Coast stores on the other. This made closeouts for our line haul trailers to the East Coast more efficient. The way it worked was POs coming in the packing from our receiving department would be split evenly by SKU and directed to the East or West Coast pack side of the supermod. We added turnarounds at the end of the lines so the packers could transfer each SKU back and forth to fulfill the store's requirements. In 2010, as our store base continued to grow, we identified a need to change our process and expand the system. It was a 2-part expansion. Working with SDI, we extended our lanes an additional 50 feet, adding 86 more pack lights per lane. At that time, we also laid out the groundwork for Phase 2 of the expansion by installing the additional bus bars and link boxes. This would allow us to add another 26 lights in the future. The put-to-light system is a very accurate system. We're operating at a 99.7% accuracy rate. Once cartons have been packed to and closed out, cartons are transported from the lanes into the upload process. At that point, SDI is directing the cartons to proceed onto our shipping department or to divert them into our Canadian reticketing area. In closing, I want to say SDI and Urban Outfitters has a great partnership together. SDI understands our needs and our expectations. The support and service and ideas that they have brought to the table have been nothing but top-notch.